Hello there, welcome to Smart Creator Press. Today I'm so excited to introduce to you SCP's brand new online store feature. I cannot wait to show you what we have done. I'll take you to the backend to show you how you can set this up, and you can do this within seconds. It's that easy. Let me first talk to you about some of the key features we have, and then I'll show you how you can set this up. You can create as many stores as you want, unlimited stores. Each store can have its own thing. You can decide which one of your products, courses, memberships you want to showcase in your store. You can also create a store just to showcase your freebies. Yes, you can just create a freebie store. So allow people to check out all of your freebies all in one place, and they can click on get instant access to your freebie. So you can do that too. You can also decide you want to create a store based on different categories, or you want to just decide manually, which products you want to show in your store. That's up to you. So SCP uses WordPress categories. So you can create a category in WordPress. You can assign products and courses to that category. You can create as many categories as you want, and you can assign your products and courses to different categories. SCP is going to give you a shortcode for each one of your store. Now you can publish that shortcode anywhere you want. If you want it on your sales page, you can add it there. If you want it on your opt-in page, you can add it there. If you want it on your landing page, you can add it there. You can even add your shortcode in your community site as part of your content flow. You can say, hey, by the way, check out our freebies. Just enter the shortcode there, and if you have created that store just to showcase freebies, it's just going to show them that. You can decide what you want to do, how you want to sell, and now imagine that you're doing a Black Friday sale. You're going to be able to create a Black Friday store within in seconds, because SCP also allows store level coupon codes. So you can say, I want to offer 50% store-wide discount for Black Friday. And what you can also do is you can have people enter that coupon code to get the discount, or you can pre-apply it. You can say pre-apply this coupon code, and for all the items in the store, you can decide how much % discount you want to give. SCP will show the original amount striked out under each item, and it will show them the new price. It's pretty awesome. And when users click on the button to add items to the cart, SCP will open a slide and pop-up. So it's not like it's doing a page load to create for the cart summary page. So that's why it results in a great user experience. As soon as they click the add to cart button, the slide pop-up will open up, and it will show them the item they have added to the cart without disrupting the whole flow, and they will still be on the same page. So if they want to continue shopping, they can continue shopping. They can close the pop-up and continue shopping. And another cool thing we have is store level upsells and downsells. So anyone that purchases anything through that store using the add to cart feature, they will be sent through this funnel. You can also add order bumps on the checkout for the store. You can say anyone purchases anything through the store, they head to the checkout, they're going to see these order bumps. You can decide you want to show a buy now button, you want to show an add to cart button, you want to show both. And one of the most incredible features that I'm truly excited about is the ability to offer a discount if the number of items they have purchased, the total amount, purchase amount, if it exceeds a certain threshold. So you can say if your purchase reaches, for example, $100, you're going to unlock 30% discount. And it's only available if your purchase reaches this amount. So this is going to incentivize people, say that they're $20 short. It's going to incentivize them to add something worth at least $20 so they can unlock that discount. So now let me take you behind the scenes to show you how you can set this up. All right, so this is the back end of Smart Creator Press. Click on store page. It will bring you to a page like this. You can create a new store here. You can also manage your existing stores from here. Let's go ahead and create a new store. Currently, I don't have any stores here. And it's going to open up this simple wizard. And it's going to make it so easy for you to create your store. Like within seconds, your store will be ready. So give it a name, and there are two ways you can do this. You can create it based on categories, or you can manually select the products and courses you want to showcase in your store. So categories is just WordPress categories. You can go here and you can create your categories here, and then you can assign your products and courses in SCP to a specific category. But if you don't want to create categories, and if you want to select the courses and products that you want to assign to a store, just select this option, and you can select the products and courses you want to display in your store. Now, like I said, you can create as many stores as you want. Each store can have its own configuration. So let's go ahead and select this one here. So now you can see display format. Do you want to show free products or courses and paid ones in separate sections? It would make sense to separate it out, right? Free stuff from paid stuff. If you want to do that, that's the default. You can leave it as yes. Now store description, you can update it. It will show up on your store page and go ahead and create the store. That's it. It's as simple as that. And within no time, your store will be ready. That's it. Your store is ready. This is the shortcode. You can publish the shortcode anywhere you want on any WordPress page if you want, but SCP also automatically creates a page. If you click on preview store, this is how it's going to look. So if you want to create your own custom page and add the shortcode there, that's fine too. However, you don't even have to do that. My store page is ready. You can see this is how it looks. Now I'm logged in. If users already have access, it's going to say access content. If they don't have access, it will allow them to sign up for it. Because this is a freebie, that's why it's saying get instant access. If this was a paid product to which I didn't have access, then it's going to say, add to cart or buy now button. It's going to show those buttons. So this is how it looks to logged in people, right? People that are already logged in with access. So let's go ahead and test it in a not logged in state. So here you can see I'm not logged in, and it's showing me the buy now and add to cart button, and also get instant access for the freebies. And the reason is because I don't have access to any of this. And there are so many different ways you can increase your average order value, and we'll talk about that in a bit. But let's say I go ahead and add this item to the cart as well. You can see now I have 2 of these. And now let's say I proceed to checkout. All right, so let's go ahead and test it. Done. All right, so you can see I purchased both of these items. Currently, I don't have anything else in terms of like no coupon codes or no order bumps, no funnel, and really simple. So now I can go to the My Account page and I can access all of my purchases. I purchased this course, and under products, I purchased this product. All right, you can see here the live mode switch is off, which means currently my store is in sandbox mode. All right, so let's go ahead and edit the store and update settings now. So you can see here, simple, there are just 5 tabs and you can update all of your stuff. You can customize your templates, everything you can do here. So store name, you can update it if you want. So here we have selected this option and we have selected the products and courses. And display format, do you want to show free and paid stuff in separate sections? Yes. Display order, how do you want to show it, right? Do you want to show your paid stuff first or free stuff first? You can do that too, right? By default, paid stuff shows up first and then the free stuff. But if you want to change the order, you can do that too. You can order the products and courses that you have configured. These are the paid ones. If you want to switch the order, you can do that. And same stuff you can do for free products as well. All right, section heading and description. This is the section heading, all right? This is the section heading for free stuff. This is the section heading for paid stuff. And so you can change it. By default, it uses this, but if you want to use custom settings and all this, you can update. Checkout settings, let's take a quick look at this. So you can use SCP generated checkout or you can use custom checkout. If you go to the checkout page, you're going to find SCP generated checkout pages. You can use any of these pages if you want. Now each one of these pages also comes with an embed code. If you want to insert this on a page on your site, on a custom page built using your page builder, but you want to use SCP's embed code, you can do that too. So you can create a custom page, enter SCP's embed code there, and that becomes your checkout page that you can use for any of your products. So you can use SCP page or you can use a custom page where you have entered SCP's checkout embed code. And SCP will use this for all the store items. So no matter what they buy from a specific store, it will use the checkout connected to that store. Order bumps at checkout. So you can also say, if users enter my checkout through this store, I want to show them these order bump offers. So you can select the order bump offers you want to show. Same thing with upsell funnel. You can create your funnel in SCP funnel page and you can connect it to your store. So when users complete purchase of your main products, they are going to be sent through this funnel flow. The only thing is difference between buy now and add to cart is that buy now directly sends users to the checkout. Add to cart sends them to the cart summary first and they can add multiple items, then they can head to the checkout, right? By default, buy now is going to show the same thing as add to cart when it comes to funnel, and the order bumps is going to use the store level settings. However, if you want to override it and say for buy now buttons, I don't want to use the store level order bumps or store level add to cart, just show them my regular product level settings for the buy now, you can do that too. So you can override the buy now stuff if you want to be more specific for specific products, right? So you can do that too. All right, this is an amazing feature we have right here. Enable discount based on cart total. You don't have to create a coupon code to do this. This is going to definitely help you increase your average order value because it's so simple. All you have to do here, you can say that if your purchase exceeds, for example, $30, right? Then you're going to get a discount of 20%. Or you can say if your purchase exceeds or reaches $100, you're going to get a discount, huge discount. You're going to get $40 discount. So 40% discount, sorry. So you can decide, what's the minimum amount they should add to the cart and check out in order to get this discount. So if people are a little bit short, it's going to help you, incentivize them to add another item that they may not have added otherwise to get this discount. So it's an easy way for you to increase your average order value. All right, so now let me show you the templates we have. We currently have 2 templates. Really simple. At the top, it shows the price here. In this one, it's going to show it a little differently. It's also going to show you a learn more option if you use this template. So let's switch to this template. Let me show you some of the differences here. So let's go ahead and check out the store now. All right, you can see here, this is the template. So no longer it's not showing the price here, right? And it's showing it here. This is the format. And buy now and add to cart like this. So you can decide which look you like better. You can see there's also a learn more option here. So they can click on learn more and it will send them to the sales page where they can learn more. In the other template, they can simply click on the name here. See here, the name here, and it will send them to the sales page if they want to learn more. Also, there is a short description field that we have added. So let me show you this, like for your product or courses. Let's say you want to show a short description for each one. You can add this right here. You can see short description used in store. All right. So if you add this here, just a simple description of each one of your products. Don't make it too long. It won't look good. It will look crowded in your store. Then it's going to show below this, right? Below the title, product title or course title is going to show the description, a 1 or 2 line description you can add, and it's going to show that. And now you can see the options are show buy now, add to cart, and show both, right? This is applied just to paid products. You can decide what you want to show, button text, and store level. If you want to update this text, you can do, everything is customizable at store level. And if you want to use global settings, you can do that too. Style customizer, again, you can use global settings or you can apply custom settings. Each one of this is customizable at store level if you want. Display options, how many products do you want to show in each section before the load more shows. So don't make it too big because then it's going to affect the performance, the load time. So keep it like 10, 9, something like that. And you can test it to see how it works. Logged in member settings, like I said, you can decide what you want to do here. Store summary is going to give you a short code. If you want to publish this on a page on your site using your page builder, you can do that. Or you can use SCP generated page right here. So that one more thing is coupon codes. Let me just show you that. Right here, you can create a coupon code right here. Give it any name you want. Products and stores. Do you want a store level coupon or you want a product level? If it's store wide, use this. Which store? We have only one store right now. Checkout discount and recurring payment settings. Do you want to pre-apply it? Let's try that. This is another awesome option we have. And pre-apply means it's going to show a strikeout price. So let's say it's 20% discount. All right, and it's pre-applied. And let's go ahead and set the start date. Let's set the end date and save this coupon code. Now let's go to the store and check it out. All right, you can see here, this is the store, price is pre-applied and this is striked out. This is the new price and users don't even have to do anything. They can see it. So if you're doing like a Black Friday sale, it's so easy now, right? If you're doing a store-wide 50% discount, they can see it. They can see the price striked out. They can see the new price and you can add like a timer to show them, the price is going to, this special discount is valid until this date. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited about this feature because it's going to help you in so many different ways. Grow your leads, increase your sales, and I can't wait to see how you use this feature to grow your business. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so already. This way you'll be the first to know when I publish new videos like this, and follow our Facebook page for latest news and updates about SCP. And I'm looking forward to your feedback. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are. And I'll be back here with more soon. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.